An earthquake of magnitude 5.3 occurred early morning on Thursday, January 23, 2025, at 2:49 a.m. local time near Numata, Gunma, Japan, as reported by Indonesia's Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysical Agency. According to preliminary data, the quake was located at a shallow depth of 10 km. Shallow earthquakes are felt more strongly than deeper ones as they are closer to the surface. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report.